In this blog, we will try to upgrade our current Flutter version, as we are well aware that in this month we have received a new version update from Flutter. So let us try to upgrade our current version to the latest version available. Open the terminal. This is the easiest way to upgrade the Flutter here. First of all, try to run the command flutter doctor here. So if you are not able to run commands in your terminal, I will provide the link in the description section for the tutorial, which will be helpful for you to enable your Flutter SDK path configured correctly. So here our doctor summary has started. Within some time it will show us the details regarding the Flutter current version installed on our system, and also it will let us know what are all the updates required for the Flutter to run. So yes, our Flutter channel version. So yes, currently we are running Flutter on a Mac OS, so it is showing the version of the Mac and also the language here. It is showing English. So currently we are running Flutter on a Mac OS, so it is showing the version of our Mac and the language here. And here you can see we are messing with Android tool chain. Currently I am not working on those projects, so I have not updated it. We are using an outdated version of CocoaPods here, so we need to update it. And also a Chrome version, it's up to date. And also Android Studio, we are currently using 4.0, and I think we are also having an update in Android Studio, so yes, we will be updating it also. And connected device, it is showing one available. Doctor found issues in two categories. These are the two categories, like Android toolchain and Xcode. We will try to update these two things. For updating this Android toolchain, to fix this issue you need to open the SDK manager here, and under the SDK tools tab, so here check the Android SDK command line tools here and try to download it. It will start downloading, and once the downloading is completed we will again check whether the issue is solved or not. So yes, our download is completed and also it's installed. And now let us try to run the flutter doctor command again and check whether this issue is resolved or not. Currently we are having two issues when we run our flutter doctor previously, and now we will again try to see. So it's still showing us the issue that Android toolchain is not yet resolved, and also it is trying to show a command here, flutter doctor. So let us try to run it and see. So yes, it's still showing two issues now, and again we can see our Android toolchain issue is coming up. Now it's also showing a solution here to resolve this. Run flutter doctor Android licenses. Let us run this command and see. So it is asking us to review the licenses which have not accepted. Let us say yes, and after going through these licenses you need to accept them. It is showing a list of licenses and you need to accept them all to get going. It's also showing a final message that all SDK package licenses accepted. And now let us try to run our flutter doctor again and see whether this issue is resolved or not. So here you can see our issue is now resolved and it is showing one category. Android toolchain is now successfully updated. So these are the updates regarding the Xcode here. Tap on the more button and you can see what are all the new updates available, and then you can update it also. So now we have completed updating Android Studio and Xcode. Let us try to see our current version of Flutter here. We are typing a command flutter version here, which will provide us the version we are using, and also Dart version is also been provided here. So these are the details. If you are a beginner and want to know what are the commands we can type in the terminal, just type flutter help. In the terminal it will be providing a list of commands which you may use. Here you need to add flutter before to these commands. Here we have specified help, and currently we are using version here, flutter version, and all the details like device ID, all these things can be available through this command line tools here. Here this is a flutter doctor which we have used previously, and here this is flutter clean. Whenever you are facing any issues regarding the application development, like your system is getting slow, then just try to use the command flutter clean so that your workspace will be cleared and your IDE will run much faster. Here this is the particular command which we use now, flutter upgrade. So we are upgrading our version of flutter, and after which if you are not satisfied with the latest version, you can also downgrade here. Flutter also provided an option for us to downgrade the current version here, and all these are the emulators here. If you are running any emulator, so you can find them here and run the code onto that emulators here with the use of this flutter install command and flutter run command here, and this one is for taking screenshots. So all these commands are easy to understand as they have also provided some description over there. So now let us try to upgrade our flutter here. I am showing you flutter upgrade, and this will also take some time. Previously we have upgraded Android Studio, and also Xcode also will take some time. So make this upgradation process when you are having enough time, because sometimes it may take even 10 hours for your Xcode to update depending upon your system configuration. For me it took over 6+ hours, so I'm just recommending you to make it in your free time. You can see it has provided us the message upgrading Flutter to version 2.1 from the existing version 1.2 here. These are all the details it is providing us. So yes, our update is completed. Here you can see we have reached 100% here. So now let us see what is the next step here. So here you can see, as a part of upgradation, first the Android tools are being downloaded, and later on the terminal is going ahead for downloading iOS tools here. So yes, our Flutter upgradation process is now completed, and here you can see Flutter 2.1.0 is now installed onto our system, and also the Dart version is 2.13. So this is it for this tutorial, and if you are having any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.